Anything that keeps the ship afloat and causes the ship to move through the water falls under the purview of the engineering officer and the personnel that work for him in the department.
The ship is a small city at the sea, so everything that you can imagine you'd have in your hometown, in your city, we have to bring with us to sea when we sail. So that's everything from electrical power generation and distribution. There's an electrical grid that I have to maintain. There's all the hotel services, like we like to call it in the Navy, everything from fresh, hot running water to ensuring that we have air to actuate all the valves and all the systems throughout the ship, natural ventilation, HVAC, everything you can think of that you'd have in a city.
Our ships are fighting ships, and engineering officers play a role in that too.
Send raft team to forward engine room to attack fire in forward engine room.
Copy.
As damage control officers, we're responsible for coordinating the control and repair of damage from fires, floods, or explosions while maintaining the equipment so that our ship can continue to maneuver and fight as necessary.
It's a huge area of responsibility. You'll be directly responsible to the commanding officer for the engineering department.
Okay, I want to sit rep on that attack team. What's taking so long? Let's go.
I'm divisionally responsible for over 55 personnel on the ship. I have the second largest department on the ship next to the combat department, and on a ship of over 250 people, when we sail, and it's a large component of the ship's daily activities is under my purview as a leader.
We have indication of fire in the forward engine room.
It's an opportunity to focus more on the leadership and management parts of the job and learn how to run your own engineering department.
Ready to go. Red leader, check the one.
2 copy.
Each score 2. Each one. 2 advancing on fire.
Best part about this job is just the diversity of it all. You're never in any one position too long that you'll get bored. If anything, it's challenging because you're always learning something new, trying to find the ways around or get good at each of these new jobs.
It's pretty phenomenal the amount of responsibility that you're entrusted with at a really young age, especially in the Navy. I mean, I'm given responsibility for $1 billion piece of federal property. In the worst case scenario, I'm responsible for the lives of 250 people on this ship, including my own.
Beyond that, though, the job just opens up into any number of different directions, and there's certainly no shortage of challenges that await me. Our most modern ships are sort of approaching their midlife refit point. A couple of our older ships are due for replacement, and there's projects ongoing to replace them. So there's no shortage of various engineering jobs, project management jobs, and just filling the challenge of keeping the ships that we have going.